convenient, dependable, long-lasting? What do you look for in your garage door openers? At Garage Door Openers and Doors Inc., we offer a large range of technology, styles, and materials from a range of brands. With over 30 years of experience, expect quality products, superior installation, and the most professional service from Garage Door Openers and Doors in Beloit. With the latest line of openers and doors, the products we carry lead the industry in innovation. Some of our premium brands include Genie, Wayne Dalton, and C.H.I. Genie openers are leading the industry with incredibly quiet DC motors. At Garage Door Openers and Doors, enjoy your limited lifetime warranty on Genie motors and a 5-year warranty on all other parts. Wayne Dalton offers a complete line of liftmaster openers from light to medium duty, while C.H.I produces superior workmanship dedicated to user satisfaction. All C.H.I doors that we sell include a lifetime warranty protecting your garage door from splitting, cracking, and rusting. We even service and repair most major brands of doors and openers. Contact us today at 330-938-6457 or visit www.garagedooropenersanddoors.com to see how we can help you find the perfect garage door and opener for your home or business.